Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Are you encapsulating your own crawl space, getting rid of the mold, taking care of the moisture, putting the plastic down and all that, but you're wondering what to do about the door? Well, now Crawl Space Ninja's DIY store has a prefabricated door that is super easy to install. We recommend you check it out. It's a great product to air seal around the crawl space opening. You can even insulate it if you want to, if that's something that your code requires to have an insulated crawl space door. So we're making these doors available now on our DIY store. We're installing them ourselves. All of our franchises are installing these doors. They are simple to install. Our ninjas used to have to do custom doors that would take anywhere between 4 to 6 hours. Now we've got these new doors that are available and many times can be installed in less than an hour. So make sure you check out diy.crawlspaceninja.com for our new prefabricated, easy to install doors. They're good for any opening up to a 36 by 36 opening. So I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.